Today, we will have a deep talk about risk management and greed. This will be a great trade recap and practice for you to learn. We will be using our beloved Smart Money indicator to locate entry areas. We will also talk about what is enough or not. If you are ready, let's do this. ARK was the top gainer coin of the day. It was the by far number one with 20% gain. The moment I saw this coin, I knew that it was tradable. By using our lovely indicator called ICT High Time Frame Candles, I quickly determined the possible entry location on the chart. As you can see, price dipped into these lovely 30 and 45-minute imbalances. But of course, you just cannot jump to a trade here. You need to observe the lower time frame price action to make decisions. Now, let's open the 1-minute time frame and discuss further. This circle area in 1 minute presents where the price hits 30 and 45-minute imbalances, the moment of seeking the entry. I also noticed that there were these nice equal highs above as our main target. Let's zoom in the area and talk more. As you can see here, the price drop stopped and the inner structure turned bullish, making new inner market structure breaks with breakout structures. Price started to push upwards here. So in my mind, I had a projection moving upwards until we take out these lovely equal highs. Very nice idea, right? So after one of the breakout structures, I just jumped into trade with the YOYO. I basically divided my order into smaller pieces and started making small entries. I have also placed other two smaller yo-yos under these inner liquidity points against a possible deeper pullbacks. This was not an easy or short-term trade. It made me wait over 1 hour for a decent profit actually. The moment I saw a 3% plus gain, I cut the trade. Just watch my last 50 videos or so. I keep saying the same thing. Do not get greedy. Take your profit and move away out of the market. Now let's see what really happened later on. If I kept the trade open, as you can see, I could have done over 5% move, make over probably 100% gain in the position. But also notice that price never hunted the equal highs. So what I expected did not happen. Why? Because I cannot see the future. No one can. All I can do is just risk and order management. That's it. If I had the trade so much longer, I could have easily lost the cash and price crashed very hard later on, as you can see. So I think you understand that trading is not about strategies anymore. Not anymore. You need to accept this. It is all about risk and order management. More importantly, controlling your greed for more and more profits. With my masterclass YOYO technique, seeing these 3+% moves will be more than enough for you. Get out of the market. Trying to hold positions like for plus 10% moves is just pure gamble anymore, and is extremely high risk. Price can easily crash and you can lose all your entry cash. So as long as Trump is president, get ready for choppy price actions. Rallies will crash in a matter of seconds. Crashes will rally after a single tweet. President Trump is extremely unpredictable guy. He affects all the markets in the world. Keep your trades short as a day trader. Get out quickly with small profits. Waiting for gigantic gains is not wise anymore, I'm sorry. Okay folks, take care for now and see you next time. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you